Whether you install WordPress locally or via the hosting provider, you'll get this screen after completing the installation and logging in as a site administrator. This is what the WordPress dashboard looks like. Don't get scared by the number of different sections here. Everything is easier than it looks, and I'll walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your website. By default, WordPress has only the blogging functionality, but you can easily extend it by installing various plugins available for WordPress. So, the starting point is to install a WordPress plugin that adds directory features to your website. In this course, we'll use HivePress, a free multi-purpose plugin that allows you to create directory websites of any type. To install a new plugin, go to the Plugins Add New section and type HivePress in the search bar to find the plugin. Then click on the Install button. Once it's installed, simply proceed by activating it. OK, the next step is to install a WordPress theme that will define the styling and layouts of your website. For the sake of this course, we'll use the ListingHive theme. It's a free, lightweight WordPress directory theme suitable for building directory websites of any niche, and it's fully compatible with the HivePress plugin. Moreover, ListingHive is already used by more than 6,000 active websites around the globe, which speaks volumes. To install a WordPress theme, go to the Appearance Themes page and click Add New. Then find the ListingHive theme via the search bar and proceed by installing and activating it. After installing the theme, you can import the demo content, but in this course, I'll skip this and start from scratch to show how to set up everything step by step. If you want to start with existing content, I'll leave a link to the demo import instructions in the video description. Now, let's move to the next video and extend the website functionality using HivePress extensions.